Hi friends, today I'm going to show you my nail polish collections. So these are my collections. This is the Flipkart box actually. I'm using it for the nail polish, to keeping all this stuffs. So this is the box that I'm using it. So I don't want to waste any other box. So I will utilize all most of the boxes that I get it from the Flipkart. So this is the box that I'm using it. Hope you know this is Amul ice cream box, but I'm using it for keeping all my nail kits. So this is the cotton that I have, and this is the nail enamels. You know that to remove nail polish. So this one I will recommend because I have used both of the products, but I would always suggest this one because this will remove the nail polish with one clean itself, but this will take a lot of liquid to clean it, and I would not recommend this one because this I bought it for some emergency purpose, which when I was not having this one. Okay, and so then this is the stencils that I have used it. So it has a lot of kit. So along with this I got so many other products as well. So I'll show you. This is one of the nail we can design by applying the nail polish here. See, I have already used two of the sections. So here I have used the nail polish, and we have to stick on it, and then we have to apply like this. Okay, so this is how I use. This is the most important thing to apply this design on our nails. Okay, so the other one I just showed you now. So this is the other design that I have. So we can remove just like this. You can see this is the, you can see, right? So this is how we can peel off and we can use it. So I haven't opened it yet, so that is why it is closed. So this one I have used. So even this was also like this only with the blue cover. So I have removed it and I have used two sections. Okay, so then this one is like when you have a heavy nail polish, you can clean it with this. On this, when you apply nail polish, you might see a lot of stickiness on this. How to utilize, I will show you. So before that, I will show you some of the collections in my box. Okay, so this is the designs that I have it. So we have to do like this. Firstly, we have to apply nail polish, and if any extra, we have to remove this from this tool, and then we have to stick it like this, and we have to apply. Okay, so this is the process that I have. So the next thing, there's a cotton you've already seen. Okay, this is my nail polish collection. So I'll show you one on one. I have kept according to the brand, and this is also Lakme. I'm sorry. So we'll go with one on one. So this is the Splash brand, which has all the different colors, and this colors you can see how beautiful it is. It has purple, blue, pastel color, and dark blue and chocolate, and this is a green, but I don't know exactly what color it is to mention. So even this is also very beautiful, and this is Swiss Beauty. So this goes well with the sari. It has a beautiful chumkies that you call sparkling. It sparkles even when you apply on your nails. Okay, and this is a Lakme product. I love these two color because these two are my favorite. Anything which is in chocolate is my favorite, so everyone's favorite too, I guess. So and even this one, Lakme has this product as well, which has two shades in one nail polish. Okay, so these are the colors that I have. These are the different colors, and these are the pastel colors that I have. I love most of the pastel colors as well. And this one is Studio West. Okay, so this is the products, which is very good, and this is a golden color. Gold color will also suits for all dresses. Okay, so and this is a Dazzler. Dazzler is a old product, but it is really very good, and this one works wonder when you apply any nail polish. And the last coat when you apply, it is really very good. Okay, and the other thing is LA. LA is also very nice because when you see LA colors, it has lot of colors with a reasonable price. So I like this most because it has a reasonable each and every nail polish is 50 rupees, that's all. So you can purchase through Nykaa. So I have already purchased some 5 to 6. Yeah, 6 I have purchased from Nykaa itself. So they had a deal, so that time I have purchased. So even though it is very less cost, but it works really so well and it stays for long haul. Okay, so this is the local brand. I don't know when I have purchased it. I think 6 months back when I went to some cake festival, there I have bought. So this is really nice. Okay, I'll tell you which stays for longer days. So this Splash now. So this Splash will stay for 1 week, and even this Studio West will also stay for 1 week, and even Lakme will also stay for 1 week. So this Studio West, Lakme, Splash, and Dazzler I would recommend, but in the top most I would recommend Studio West, Lakme, Splash, and Dazzler. Okay, these are the good brands, and this last one is a camera. This I have only one product. Okay, these are my collections, and this is my nail polish kit, which I already explained, and this I bought it from the Amazon, and this is the must. And when you find extra nail polish, you have to do like this, and you have to press it on this design, whichever design you like it, and then you have to apply it on your nails. Okay, so this is a very good kit with a very reasonable. I think I bought it only for the 250 rupees. Okay, these are my collections. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. spicy kitchen ruchi. And for more updates, you have to click on bell icon. Thank you so much.